Hello guys, welcome to my Android Tech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to set Microsoft Office as default application on your Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to set Microsoft Office, Word, Excel, PowerPoint as your default application on your Windows 11, then I will show you how to do this. First of all, you need to click on this start menu, then type here apps. Just click on this apps, or you can directly click on default apps. In this you can see all your applications here. In search you need to type whatever you want, like Word. You can see here, click on Word. Here you can see all the extensions of the Word. You can see .doc. If you want to set as your Word as a default application, just click on this, select your Word from here and click on OK. Like this you can do it for your other apps also. That's it guys. So in this way you can set Microsoft Office as a default application on your Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.